Learn how to set out of the office on iCloud Mail on your iPhone. In this guide, I will show you how to create auto-reply messages, specify a date range, and personalize your out-of-office response. So, let's get started. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Apps section. Again, scroll to find Mail app settings and tap to open it. Afterward, tap on Mail accounts and select your iCloud account. Then, tap the Auto Reply section and turn on the toggle next to send auto reply. You can set the date range here. To do so, turn on the toggle next to the start date. Select the auto reply starting date and time. You can also set the end date for auto replies. To do so, turn on the toggle next to the end date and select the date and time to end the reply. Now, let's see how to customize the out-of-office response. On the same settings page, write down the message you want to show your message to the sender. So, I'm writing a message for auto reply. Then, tap on Done button at the top right corner. Anyone who sends you mail receives an auto reply message via the email app. If you're not receiving it, please check the receiver's mail address. That's it. If you want to use another mail account, such as Gmail or Outlook, use their web versions or apps to set the auto reply feature on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.